Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how you can play FM radio without earphones in your Infinix smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to swipe down. Here it is Wow FM, and you can see it will see a please plug in earphone that act as an antenna. So friends, you have to just take this aux label. uh, you can see this aux. If you don't have, you have to purchase it to enable it, and if you have don't have, then you can simply install FM radio app in your Infinix smartphone. Just write here FM and you can download any of the FM radio like these, and it is free of cost and it will not require any antenna or aux cable. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.